is equals to LM. So yeah, we had constructed LM. Then we know it's equals to KN, which is root 13 again. So sharp to find KL now, we are going to substitute to find L, I mean the coordinates of L, because that's what they want. 3.5.1, calculate the possible coordinates of L. So to find L, we are going to have now 3.5.1. Then I'm going to have a square root of x, because this is x and y, okay? For L, I don't have them. So I'll have x plus 3 all squared plus y plus 5 all squared is equals to, then previously we found the length of n to be root of 30, so it's root 30. So yeah, as we did, I'm just going through the same steps. I'm gonna square both sides, then I'm gonna be left with x plus 3 all squared plus y plus 5 all squared is equals to 30, not root 30. That's going to be my equation 1. Why? Because I have two unknowns, right? So the other unknown will come from KL. Ne? KL is this guy. It's just that I can't scroll because, yeah, it's good. I don't have enough space. But then KL is this guy. But then both L lies on both line KL and line LM. So here, my point of intersection again. So I'll just have now, and the equation of KL was y is equals to x plus 3. So as I've told you already, these things, these 2 marks that you are collecting, you are going to need them for a bigger question, which are these ones now. Ne? So now I'm going to have y is equals to x plus 3. And that's equation 2. So now I'm going to substitute equation 2 into equation 1. So look at what I'm going to do now. I'm going to have x plus 3 all squared plus x plus 3 plus 5 all squared. Do you see what I did now? Because you remember there, I just kept it as this, and I squared it first. Then I had y squared plus 10y plus 25. Then from there, that's when I substituted x plus 3. So I should have substituted from the get-go. Then it's going to be equals to 30. Then from here, it's just pure math. X squared plus 6x plus 9, which will be, this is basically x plus 8. So you have x squared plus 16x plus, what's 8 squared? 64. 10 minus 30 is equal. All right, so yeah, I'm just gonna put everything together. So it will be 2x squared. And I have 6x plus 16x. Yeah, 6x plus 16x. So what's that? That's 22, right? Plus 22x. And then I have 9 plus 64 minus 13. That should give me a 60. All right. You can just double check quickly so we avoid making mistakes. But yeah, it looks good so far. Then we are going to take out the common factor of 2. Then we have x squared plus 11x plus 30 is equal to 0. So now the 2 will fall away. Then I'm going to have x squared plus 11x plus 30 being equal to 0. Then I must factorize. So I'll have x on both sides. Then both brackets will have a plus. So I'm looking for factors of 30. When then they give me 11 already. Now they make sense. It's 5 and 6. It gives me, so x is going to be -5, or x is going to be -6. Then to get y, I'm just going to substitute back into equation 2. So it must be for both values. So y is going to be negative 5 plus 3, which will be negative 2, or negative 6 plus 3, which will be negative 3. So these are my values. So yeah, you see that? Is it making sense?
Yeah,
I know I rushed over it because we did it and we did it before. It's just that
yeah,
we just had to clear this confusion more. We just had to clear this confusion here. We just had to clear the confusion. Okay, sharp. So that's 3.5.1, 3.5.2. 3.5.